Well, the tide is coming and I'm walking. I'm walking towards the tide. I'm the only one here. We don't want any 99 calls. All we need to know is that I'm no significance in this existence. I can be part of this ocean or I can be part of this land. No matter how big and strong you look, if you don't know how to swim, the tide might take you around and swirl you and spin you and take you out. And all of your bigger ideas may not be so impactful, I should say. You can be the owner of the castle, or you can be the owner of your own life. One must remember that when it comes to life, it has its own journey. And remind yourself not to compete with anyone or anything that is nature. What's nature is an incredible phenomenon. You could either get to the dry land and see the ocean coming in, or you can be a big man and let the ocean take you away. The choice is yours. One must remember that you must never put your life in somebody else's hand or rely on somebody else. As long as you are conscious, responsible, and more importantly, that you don't cause unnecessary strain, stress, and anxiety for the others, for your own doing. And that comes to everything we do. That includes the virus that we've got around us, surrounding us. And none of these creatures are like these little shells and shellfish and all of this beautiful life that's around here. For you, it might look like grass or algae or moss, but that's life that's keeping us all alive. The spectrum of color is there as an incredible beauty. The castle lights are on. The time is ticking for me. I'm getting closer to the grave. Every time you watch, I don't normally wear any watches simply because I don't want you to see my time slipping away. I want you to see that my life is a profound of nature and is connected with this nature. Instead of a pint of beer or bottle of wine or glass of Johnny Walker, I don't need to be in a Freedom Day stuck with thousands of others, sweating, dancing away, raving, drunk. I can be here intoxicated in a phenomenal way that I don't need any of the substance to keep me going. I'm stoned already and I can see the tide just creeping on me. It's time to head out to the dry land, folks. Dry land. That moon, as it intends, the intensity of the moon brings the water in. Look at this phenomenal spectrum of life and colors and light. Nature is a form of art. You can be part of it, or you can make yourself blind of it. No matter how you look at it, whichever the way you look at it, the life of nature is phenomenal.